Welcome to another Jikan video. Today we will be talking about bad breath home remedies. But before we get started, take a minute to subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Having bad breath has long been a problem mostly for adult people, even those who practice proper dental and oral hygiene. At some points in our lives, we may experience bad breath, usually first thing in the morning when we wake up. This can be caused by your mouth getting dry from smoking or taking drugs, or simply during sleeping our saliva production tends to slow down, causing our mouth to dry. Bad breath or halitosis is caused by odor-causing bacteria that live in our mouth. But there are several possible factors that affect the odor of our mouths aside from dry mouth, like tooth decay, gum disease, excessive bacterial activity on our tongue, throat and tonsil infection, and many more. In some cases, bad breath can be a sign of health problem, so this issue should not be ignored. Although the usual cause is oral, this can be treated to stop the problem. Since bad breath is usually caused by bacteria in the mouth, visiting your dentist is a good start. If you have dental problems that possibly the cause of your bad breath, your dentist can take care of it. But if no oral cause is identified by your dentist, you should see a bad breath specialist or go to a clinic that specializes in breath odors. Not to panic, as there are a lot of effective bad breath home remedies that are proven to work for others, which you can also try. Common bad breath home remedies are as follows. 1. Most common bad breath home remedies is brushing your teeth properly in the morning, evening, and every after meal. 2. Brushing your tongue every time you brush your teeth is also a must. Plaque on your tongue can also cause bacteria to grow. 3. Using dental floss will take food particles that are in between your teeth. 4. Gargle a cup of lukewarm water mixed with baking soda, lukewarm water with salt, or lukewarm water mixed with half a lemon juice before bedtime. 5. Brush your teeth using a baking soda. Dip your toothbrush in baking soda, then brush your teeth and then rinse with water. To have a fresher breath, brush your teeth again using toothpaste. 6. Chew parsley, clove, or mint leaves to keep your breath smelling fresh. 7. Drink plenty of water. 8. If you want to use mouthwash, avoid using those with dyes and alcohol. It is essential to keep our breaths fresh all the time, otherwise, it can be the main reason for your failure to socialize and for low self-confidence, bringing down your self-esteem. Trying the above-mentioned bad breath home remedies won't hurt you. Who knows, some of the bad breath home remedies might work to keep your breath refreshed and odor-free. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, tell us which home method you will use to help bad breath in the comment section, don't forget to share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.